Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blade, the rear wiper blade on this 2013 Lincoln MKX. This is the wiper blade you need. It's a 14-inch blade. And that's it. Let's go. All right. It just snaps up like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, yes, I see that. This thing is just snaps in this plate, this little piece right there. So all you gotta do with your thumb, just push it off. So just clean the rear windshield or the window, whatever. Because you don't want to put a nice new blade on a crappy ass window. You lost your you lost your paper towels. Just gonna snap it right in place. That's it. Doesn't get easier than that. I got a bonus for you. I'm gonna show you how to put this back on. We lost this at the car wash. It's just a little cover that goes on there. So we got a new one. Let me show you. All right, this is the part you need, and it's just a cover. It's like $6. So this just snaps in place. There you go. Show them how to do it. Let me go on this side.
Under there. No.
That's it.
Huh. Oh, I guess it's
Yeah, it just swings up in case you want to take out, in case you want to remove the blade, the arm. That's it. But this should really like snap in place actually.
Yeah, it looks like it.
There you go. Oop, it came out of the other side.
Now it's on there good.
All right, that's it guys. Hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.